Hey fellow real estate investors, one of the things that I keep coming back to is some of these real estate sites and being able to download Excel files that they have available. This is a super manual process, and in this video I'm going to show you with only a few lines of code how you can actually automate pulling this data down using StreetEasy Data Dashboard as an example. My name is Ariel Herrera with the Analytics Ariel channel, where we bridge the gap between real estate and technology. If you love Python, data, analytics, and just automation in general, then please subscribe to this channel because that is my focus with this content. As well, if you enjoy these types of tutorials, then please like this content so I can make more of it for you. All right, let's get started. So right now I'm on StreetEasy Data Dashboard. So what is StreetEasy for those that aren't aware? It's basically a subsidiary of Zillow that only focuses on New York City apartments. New York City is such a deep market that if only a few miles has so many different pockets. So it can't be as generalized as other tools that are used across real estate. So StreetEasy has a data dashboard where you could actually go in and look at inventory information for sales. You could also look at rental information, and in this dashboard, everything updates accordingly. It's split by boroughs: Manhattan, Brooklyn, Queens, Bronx, and Staten Island. A little bit less data from Staten Island, but it has some really awesome information down below, like these charts on median asking price and total inventory. So the way I actually got introduced to looking at the StreetEasy data dashboard was from a client collaborating with them to automatically pull some of this data into their own website. So down below, StreetEasy has the availability to download the data, and it shows the different reports that are available. So for example, when you're looking at sales, it's split into 4 different home types: co-op, condo, single family, or townhouse. And the reports that are available scale from inventory, median sale price, asking price, days on market, and it's all split by borough. Now the issue is, what if you want to have this data update without having to go into the website and download it? Well, currently no API available for StreetEasy, so that option is taken out. But if we look here, say if I just click median asking price for co-op, we immediately get this download from a CSV file. It has the information on area name, borough, area type, and then it also has data all the way back from 2010 for the median asking price all the way to the current date of 2021-08. Because this is available at the click of a button, we can copy the link address here. And if we were to look at this in a text editor and paste it, we could see that this data is pointing towards AWS, so that's where they're storing their data. It's called sales co-op median asking price.zip. Doesn't have anything about the date, which is perfect because we won't have to dynamically pick it up. So I quickly developed a script over here, which I'm going to rerun right now. This is in Google Colab. Google Colab is an environment where you could run Python. It's all in the cloud, which makes it super easy. And if you want to use it yourself, you don't have to have Python installed at all. You could just go to File, and then you can make a copy within your own drive. Now to run everything, it's as simple as hitting Runtime and then Run All. So right now I'm running everything. I have some functions, which I'll explain in a moment. I'm importing some libraries, and there's 3 main parts to this. Super simple. So the first is that I'm setting the URLs for the data that I want. So I want to get median asking price. I want to get it for single family, condo, and co-op. So I did the same process that I just showed you, where I went here, I did a right click, copy link address, and I just did that for each of these. And then I copied that over into here. Now the next step is that I want to read these files in without actually having them saved down. So I have this function called readzip. So what this does is that it opens the URL, then reads the content from the URL, and then converts it into a data frame. This is a tabular format. Then once that's done, I name the file based on what that key value is, so SFR for example, and then I name median asking price. The next thing I want to do is melt the data. So as we just shown in the CSV file, we had all the dates going across as columns, but that's really not useful if we want to observe this. So I'm melting the data up here, and you could always go to Pandas melt documentation to get more insight of this. But ultimately, what I'm able to do is combine these data frames, so there's 3 in total for each of these. And now I have a data set of 27,000 rows. It's all the data for median asking price for the single family home, condo, and co-op across each area, so either a submarket or a neighborhood for all of the boroughs. Then if I just want to filter on a single borough, I could do that as well. I'm filtering now on Brooklyn, and I want to look at Williamsburg, which is the borough that faces New York City, Bay Ridge, and Flatbush. Now to plot these, using Plotly, it's only a single line of code. I have the data frame. I want to plot the month. So as we've seen here, because I melted it, now we have the month as a column. And I'm able to plot that going across the x-axis. And specifying the column that I want to have for my y-axis, which is going to be median asking price for the single family homes. And I want this data to be separated based on the area name, those 3 that I chose. And now we can see that from 2010 to 2021, Williamsburg is the most expensive neighborhood, which makes sense. As I said, it is facing New York City. You can get in and out of FiDi within less than 10 minutes. And if we could see, it actually has the most growth between these 3. Look at 2010 when the median was about 1 million, and at its peak in 2017 at 2.9 million. We did see a pretty extreme drop-off due to COVID, which makes sense. A lot of people were looking to upgrade to larger spaces. Some people went to New York State to get houses there, and there was a decline in the real estate market during that time period. But we see it picking back up. So I want you to get out of this video is you could replicate the same code to pull any Excel file straight from a website as well. Definitely feel free to browse through this dashboard, as I find it really useful if you're looking at New York City data. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Thanks.